To everyone, hope everyone is in pink of their health. This side Suyash Tripathi and I am a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT Law School Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and currently I am working as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. So today we are going to discuss on the development of legal education in India. So first of all, I would like to mention and start this video with a beautiful quote or beautiful words by the Malcolm. So Malcolm said that the our future or the education is the passport for the future, and the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So by his words, it is clearly understandable or understood that the future is going to belong to those only who will prepare for it today. And that preparation, what is that preparation? That preparation will come from the education. The education is the preparation for the future. Okay. And in that also the legal education plays a very significant role, as the legal education helps in maintaining the law and order in the society. The Constitution of India mentions that the society is governed by the rule of law. So it is for the society to be governed by rule of law, there must be the provisions of the legal education. There must be the presence of legal education, so that the children of the nation or the youth of the nation get legal education and become good lawyers, so that they can differentiate between the right and wrong, and the principle of rule of law can get established in a right manner. So in ancient times there was no the legal education was not present at all. Though there were some instances that there were vakils, and that vakils go into the courts of the king's court, and the court of king or the king's court, and then they appeal from the side of the pleaders. But there was no any significant provision for the legal education in at that time. Then at the time of the Mughals, the Mughal era Mughal era started from after the battle of Panipat. First battle of Panipat, that was in 1526, when the Baba came and established his empire in India. Then in Mughal era there was also not the legal education was also not present significantly, but it was though in a minimal way. Then but in the British era, there was a rise in the legal education. There was the awareness of the legal education for the terms of legal education. So the British government was aware that we are going to need the lawyers. For that, the legal education must be spread, so that the company can get, or so that the people can get the rational thinking of what is right and what is wrong. In 1902, in 1855, the first professorship of legal education was established, first professorship of law was established at Government Elphinstone College at Bombay and Madras, and Hindu College at Calcutta. Then in 1902, a commission was made for the legal education, for the getting recommendations of the legal education. So the commission recommended that the a 2-year bachelor's degree should be must for the legal education. Then in 1962, the Bar Council of India made some changes to the Commission's report of 1902, and said that and converted the 2-year degree to the 3-year degree. Then in 1967, the Bar Council of India introduced the 5-year degree for the graduation in the legal education. And then as the Advocates Act was established in 1961, which made the provisions that the Bar Council of India it was necessary for the Bar Council of India to promote the legal education in the country. So the legal education is very necessary for the country, and the Bar Council of India is working towards it. So that's all for today. Do comment your queries in the comment box, and don't forget to press the bell icon and click on the subscription button. Thank you.